You can send this to Chrissy. Chrissy.
Really? What do you got there? What do you got? You got a pine cone?
You have a pine cone?
She's catching bugs too.
Get him, Lil. Teddy, you gonna go save her? She's stuck in the cave, Ted. Oh,
Like,
there she is.
yeah, I don't think so. She's been there too.
Good girl, Will. Get that bug. Get the bug.
I love the noises.
Nice sound effects. What do you got? You got leaves now? You got all kinds of stuff. What are you looking for, Teddy? You're looking for a place to stand up. That's